Tanvir from Wpcell. Today I wanted to show you how to increase product variation limit from WooCommerce. When you will click generate variation, then you can see 50 within 50. It's limited within 50. We will increase it to 500. You don't need to install. You don't need to cPanel. First, you will click here. You will click plugins to install file manager. Result of it, we will need file manager access. I already have installed, just need to active this one. I will active this one. After the activation this one, I will scroll down to see left side. I will click on file manager. After clicking here, we will click on no thanks. We will click on wp-config.php file. There, remember it. Just you need to click on here. Okay. Okay. Then I will scroll down. Then to add the code. We will add the code only this one. I will increase it 500, 600 just. Okay, and I'll save it. Save it, and it's already saved. 7 calls. Okay, then I need to reload this one, and it's already done, I think so. Okay, click on inventory. Sorry, click on variation. Scroll. Click on variation, and when I will click on generate variation, it's increased to 600 plus. So it's now okay. I think you can do it easily. Just I wanted to help you, nothing more thing. Okay, bye for now.